MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumbaka Sarkar Jylla nagbakatanan Information and Public Relations kalasiyam ya kasinjam ban Pynlong ya katamasa kabay dur bat ki Kam Shna Phlim ki Kam Phlim da kajing temu ban iron sani ki samla ka Jylla ki badan sab hakite ki Kam u menteri rengba ka Jylla u Conrad ki sangma menta ka sngi kum kongsan ulapli perdaya kini katamasa balai sngi belatip kum ka First Shillong International Film Festival bala Pynlong State Convention Center Shillong la sakhiru hakani ka sngi pli ya kani katamasa ki Kam Shna Phlim ki Kam Phlim da kajing don lang u menteri sarkar badai pe ya katana Information and Public Relations Balak Menrembui, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmad, Commissioner Bar Secretary Information and Public Relations Vijay Kumar Mantri, Director Katana Information and Public Relations Uba BS Solia, Nolor Kam Shna Phlim, Kiting Shop Kipuran Bat Kisamla Kiba Puntibet Iladi, Hakani ka Kam Shna Nepen Mi Phlim, Habakran Hakani ka Sngi Kum Kongsan, Conrad Ke Sangma Ulaong Bakalong Kajing Sarong, Hakaba Hakasin Jam Kabanikong Lala Ban Pynlong Yagni ka First International Film Festival, Barkani ka Dikadang Kasin Bakasorkar ka Trang Lasalamba, Ban Sani ki samla ka Jylla ki badan sab hakini ki Kam Shna Nepen Mi Phlim.
The first Shillong Film Festival, International Film Festival, was being organized by the department. This, as the Commercial Secretary has already mentioned, is overdue. And we cannot deny the fact that in Meghalaya we have so many talent, we have so many potential, but sometimes we didn't have the platform to learn, to showcase. But thanks to the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who put the youth of the today and tomorrow, the people of the state, in front of him. He tried to keep the platform to each and every sector, to each and every section of the people. It depends upon your creativity, it depends upon your knowledge, and it depends upon you. What do you want to do? Now, I must say that the government of Meghalaya, there is no room for complaint. Yes, we cannot do everything at one go, but there is a platform for everybody. This film festival is also one of the platform which, as we know, that in today's world, that not only today, during the old days time, film plays a very important role in telling the stories, in informing the people from one part of the country into another. But for some decade, it is lying low. But in the last decade, we have seen that the people of the state, the young mind of the state, the creative people of the state try to venture again. As our Commercial Secretary mentioned that since 1981, the filmmaking has started in the state of Meghalaya. But I must say, congratulate the filmmaker, Pradeep and others, Dominic Sama and Kunme and all, who have taken this filmmaking into a new height, Kong CB, Kong Thiam and all. This is a welcome feature in the state of Meghalaya. So I request that each and everybody, especially the young mind of today, as you know that during these 3 days, there will be a session also for the student to learn the art of screenplay, the art of filmmaking. So I hope, and more importantly, there will be a short film competition amongst you. This is a platform. So I wish that each and everybody should take this opportunity.
In the region of the Northeast, like we're doing with football. Why are we making a 40,000-seater largest football stadium in the country, a dedicated football stadium in the country, the largest one here in Shillong? It's not about the fact that we expect that many tournaments and football matches will happen. Well, we do hope it does happen. It will take some time. But it's the message we're giving to the country and to the world that Meghalaya has arrived. That Meghalaya is going to lead the way when it comes to soccer. And that's the same message that we're giving, that Meghalaya will lead the way when it comes to the film industry also, and the entire creative sector. I hope some of you are coming today for the Def Leppard concert. Next month we have the Scorpions concert. And many artists coming as we move along. It's not about one particular show. It's not about one festival that a lot of people tend to criticize sometimes about our government. We're missing the big picture if we just look at one show or one program and say, what is this the government is doing? You have to understand that there's a larger message in everything that we're trying to do. I do hope that in the coming days, again, this is a part of our program and our plan, is to also have a film institute. Because we strongly feel that if we want to develop that ecosystem that we're trying to do out here, to provide that opportunity of being a leader in the creative sector, then it is important that we're able to scientifically approach the process. The people who are doing things out here today are sheer raw talent. They have built up everything on their own. Nobody has guided them and helped them. And yes, when I say that, I do expect a round of applause for them. Let's give a round of applause for them. These are people who had no formal training. They had no support. They had no financial support. Sheer passion and sheer talent made them what they are and achieve what they've achieved today, which I must tell you is remarkable, considering the fact that there was nothing there to support them. But I hope that the investments they've made, the kind of mark that they have left behind in one way, will be a starting point for us to be able to then say that, look, this is the benchmark and now we're going to move ahead with this. But we can't do that unless we do plan it out and create that ecosystem which I'm talking about. And hence, while government supports and all these different kind of programs, and we have these film festivals, it is very, very important for us to be able to now bring in the technical knowledge, the scientific approach, and provide professional backup and professional training to these individuals who will play a key role in making this particular dream of us come true. And when I say that, it's not just about, I think all of you know it, it's not just about, the actor, it's not just about the producer, it's not about the director, it's about the person who's behind the camera, it's about the person who's behind the lights, it's about the person who's behind the sound, the kind of engineering that goes into the sound, the kind of technical training that goes into all aspects of cinematography and other things. I think all of these aspects require technical knowledge and support. And I hope that as we go along and Shillong and the Northeast becomes a place where we have these kind of systems developing, that tomorrow when somebody wants to produce a film, they don't have to bring the entire crew. They just bring in the basics, because the rest is all available here. The best studios should be available here. The best lighting systems should be available out here. The best cameras should be available out here. The best manpower, the best musicians, the best choreographers, the dancers. And I think that's really what we're trying to do, create that large ecosystem where you see that opportunities come out in all of it. And therefore, with that kind of a thought process and a vision and a goal that we're having the first Shillong International Film Festival. So don't think that this is one program, what is this government doing, after 2 days it'll be over and everything is done. No. It's not or never about one program. It's not or never about one scheme. It's not about one festival. It's about the larger goal, the larger message, the larger ecosystem, and the long-term goal that we are trying to set. And all these actions that we're doing are all connected. It's not that they've been done all in silos. Everything is connected to a larger purpose and a larger goal. So I leave you with those thoughts to give you that confidence and that assurity that we are not here just to have programs for fun and just have these festivals and forget about them. We are here to make a difference. We are here to create a vision. We are here to create an opportunity. And let me assure you that we are on the right path. Once again, I congratulate the DIPR, our Honorable Minister, our Commissioner Secretary, our Director, and all the officials who have made this a possibility. It's a humble beginning. Let me reiterate, it's a humble beginning. There will be many, many shortcomings, but let those shortcomings and complaints and mistakes not be a point where we look at and get discouraged. But I hope we learn from them. We improve on it. And every year we ensure that this becomes even a better festival. We want ideas from you. We want thoughts from you. We want you to tell us what it is that we can do to ensure that one day people should be dying to come to the Shillong Film Festival. Then she said, that's the festival that I want to be. And that's the goal where we look at. I hope from 10 years from now, I hope that that is the kind of goal that we'll be able to achieve. And therefore, friends, I'm very, very excited about this. And I really wish you all the very best. I thank all the individuals who have come here to be part of this very, very important festival. And I hope that you will look back after 10 years and remember this festival, remember the words that we said today, and feel a sense of satisfaction on where 10 years from now, the entire creative industry in the sector would have grown and how we would have unleashed, huge numbers of possibility and opportunities, especially for all the youngsters who are here today, and many, many more to come in the years and the days to come. So wishing you all the very best and wishing this festival the very best. Thank you very much.
MeghalayaPost.news